Good morning. Welcome to SEC Prasanta Behera. I have already explained elaborately to you people in my lecture 1, 2, 3, 4 classes about verbs. What is verb? What are the regular and irregular verbs? What are the finite and non-finite verbs? What are the transitive and intransitive verbs? What is infinitive, participles, gerunds? All the verbs I have clearly explained in my verb pattern classes. You can search in YouTube verb patterns by Prasanta Behera. You can get it about verbs. Today I am teaching you dynamic and static verbs. What is dynamic verb? What is static verb? Dynamic verbs are also known as continuous or progressive tenses. You add ing in dynamic verbs, but in static verbs you cannot add ing form. In static verbs ing नहीं होता है. You can't add ing in static verbs. I am giving some examples of dynamic verbs and static verbs. Dynamic verbs are always, that continuous or progressive, you add ing. Action words, what we are doing, these are called action words or action verbs. We know that the main verbs or verbs, the definition, the action words are called verbs, like jump, kick, eat, play, laugh, run, all are the action words or action verbs. They are the dynamic verbs. In static verbs, love, like, dislike, hate, agree, disagree, seem, all are the static verbs. In static verbs you cannot add ing form. आमे static verb रे progressive किंबा continuous करि परिबा नहीं. dynamic verb रे आमे continuous बा progressive करि परिबा बा ing यूज करि परिबा. We use in dynamic verbs ing or continuous or progressive. In static verb we can't use ing. आमे ing यूज करि परिबा नहीं. So I have given the definition here of dynamic verbs. The verb which shows physical action are called dynamic verbs. The verb which shows physical action are called dynamic verbs, and the verb which shows a state or possession are called static verbs. So the dynamic verbs are also known as continuous or progressive tense or verbs. They describe an action like run, jump, kick, eat, break, cry, play, read, solve, etc. So the words all used in continuous or progressive form. I am giving 1-2 examples to you people. I am playing football with my friends. Achilles is eating mango. These are the action verbs or dynamic verbs. I am eating mango. Achilles is eating mango. Here eating is the dynamic verbs. I am playing football with my friends. Playing, dynamic verbs. So dynamic verbs, in dynamic verbs we use continuous, progressive. The work is in progress. What we are doing or acting, that is used in dynamic or continuous or progressive. There are many dynamic verbs are there, but stative verbs are limited. I have already told you. Love, hate, like, dislike, agree, disagree, seem, all are the stative verbs. So इनका stative verb का प्रयोग continuous tenses में नहीं होता है. I know you, not I am knowing you. मैं तुमको जानता हूँ, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜାଣି ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜାଣୁଛି. But in English, not, you can't say I am knowing you, I know you. I understand you, don't say that I am understanding you. But there are some verbs, we can say the mixed verb. They can use in both dynamic verbs and stative verbs. Have is a verb, have. I am having lunch. ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟାହ୍ନ ଭୋଜନ କରୁଛି. I am having lunch. This is the dynamic verb. Here have is the action words. I am having. What I am doing? I am having lunch. I have a car. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ car ଅଛି. This is the stative. This is the stative verb. I have a car. It means possession. What I have. So there are some mixed verbs are there also. We can use it. So I am giving some examples of stative verbs. What are the verbs of stative verbs? What are the verbs of dynamic verbs? And in dynamic verbs, suppose answer dynamic verbs. Dynamic verbs. I am writing here dynamic verbs. Answer, build, buy, dance, eat, play, laugh, cry. These type of action verbs are called the dynamic verbs. You can say also read, write, solve, study, read, write, solve, study. These are the action verbs are called dynamic verbs. I have already told you stative verbs. Stative verbs means only statement or possession. That called stative verbs. The stative verbs shows a state or possession. What I have given you people to examples, that I have a car, I have a pen, I have, this is the means possession are called the stative verbs. Stative verbs examples, stative verbs, stative verbs. Love, hate, like, dislike, agree, disagree, seem. These are the stative verbs. In stative verbs, you can say the prefer also, prefer. These are the stative verbs. In stative verbs, we can't add ing. This is very simple to know, stative verbs. These are the limited, we have to remember it, the stative verbs. So stative verbs, and there are some dynamic verbs are there. All the action, there are many action words. You can say that dynamic verbs. It's easy to know how to use dynamic verbs and stative verbs. It is easy to know all these things. So I have given many examples that I am playing football, I am eating mango. So playing football, these are the dynamic verbs, and there are the mixed verb. What I have given some examples. So you can't say that I am having a car, I have a car. So dynamic verbs and stative verbs, these are the actually is an adjective and here used as verb. I am given some examples. Which one is right? You see, I am having 3 brothers or I have 3 brothers. My question is that I am having 3 brothers or I have a brother. The right answer is I have a brother or I have 3 brothers. You can't say I am having 3 brothers. Wrong. I am having 3 brothers is wrong. I am knowing 3 languages or I know 3 languages. I know 3 languages is right. You can't say I am knowing 3 languages. So there are some verbs. Suppose I am watching television right now. You can't say I watch television right now. I am watching television right now. This is the dynamic verb. I am watching television right now. So this type of the difference between the dynamic verb and the stative verbs. So in stative verbs, I am writing some examples of stative verbs and dynamic verbs with some examples. Stative verbs. In stative verbs, it is the verbs describe state rather actions. So suppose agree or appreciate. Appreciate is also a appreciate. Appreciate. This is the stative verb. You can use a sentence. Suppose I appreciate your understanding. I appreciate your understanding. This is the term. You can't say that I am appreciating your understanding. You say I appreciate your understanding, like love, prefer, believe. Suppose in believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe is a verb. You use in stative. Do you believe in life after love? Do you believe in life after love? So these are the verbs we use in stative sentences. I have given some more examples that there are some verbs we use both dynamic and stative. Like I have given one example, have. Think also like